It actually is better than where we started out this morning. We started out like in the 30s dew point wise, or in the 40s now. It takes 47 degrees 3 days in a row, and that's when we say monsoon season starts. So we're getting really close. You can see the cloud cover kind of bubbling up in that moisture, especially over the east mountains right now, but it is dry in the metro area. Partly cloudy right now, and temperatures have heated up quickly. 88 degrees right now. Winds are still nice and calm, and we are going to see that trend where the winds are going to stay a lot lighter than what we had to deal with over the spring season. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite. You can see the showers and thunderstorms starting to pop up here up in our northern mountains and even over in the San Mateos, but otherwise staying mainly dry. This is going to be the trend really for the next couple of days, but we are going to start to see that trend toward more of a monsoonal flow move in going into this weekend. What we look for is high pressure to center itself right over Texas, and what that does is flow around this high. It brings in the Gulf moisture, and so once that gets into the state, we can take advantage of that moisture and get those scattered showers and thunderstorms that start to pop up. So Sunday we'll start to see a little more action, but especially for the early part of next week. It's not going to be an all-day rain event. We're not going to see a washout, but we will see the chance for scattered thunderstorms to pop up in the afternoon starting early next week. And so certainly good news there, because we really do need the rain. Now we do have a few thunderstorms again to talk about here on the radar. You can see some lightning, northern mountains, the Sangre de Cristo mountains here, seeing those isolated showers and storms moving pretty slowly, mainly to the east here, and then also starting to see some shower and thunderstorm activity pop up in the Jemez Mountains. Today, we're going to see most of the action up in the northern mountains and perhaps over in the northeast, east central plains because of a cold front. It's not doing anything to cool us off, but it is helping to spark a few showers and storms and bring in a little added moisture. And again, we've started to see some of that seep into the metro area already today. It is going to continue to slide to the south and west, and as it does so overnight tonight, it is going to kick up the wind. So do expect gusty winds tonight, 15 to 25 mile per hour East Canyon winds. You may hear those blowing around tonight, and then that front's going to continue to push through tomorrow. A few spot thunderstorms perhaps in the metro, the western part of the state, but going into the weekend, Sunday afternoon, that's when we're going to start to see that southerly flow starting to kick in. So we'll be looking at better rain coverage, especially across western New Mexico and up in the northern mountains. And then by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, better chances for central New Mexico and even northeast New Mexico as well. North and west today, partly cloudy, a few isolated thunderstorms with temperatures topping out in the 80s and 90s, 94 in Farmington. Your 7-day forecast showing better chances for rain moving in this weekend for Farmington and then sticking around through next week. South and west, partly sunny, a few isolated thunderstorms mainly in the Gila area. It is going to be a hot one. Highs today for Silver City, low 90s, middle and upper 80s next week with better rain chances. South and east still dealing with the heat and dry conditions. Temperatures in the upper 90s, triple digits for Artesia, Carlsbad, Hobbs, Lovington. We'll stay dry through the weekend, and then early next week a chance for a few thunderstorms moving in as we get a little more moisture in the southeast. North and east, scattered showers and storms today with highs in the upper 90s. Las Vegas, better chances for rain head your way going into the weekend and early next week. Northern mountains, partly cloudy with a few thunderstorms this afternoon. 80 in Angel Fire, 91 in Santa Fe. Santa Fe, a chance for a few isolated thunderstorms with better chances for rain moving in for the second half of the weekend and early next week. East mountains, we may see a stray storm this afternoon, otherwise hot, with highs in the low to mid 90s, and for the metro, middle and upper 90s this afternoon. Slight chance for a stray thunderstorm today. We'll see that slight chance for a storm tomorrow and Saturday. Better chances on Sunday, but I think Monday and Tuesday are going to be the days that we see that typical monsoonal flow with the showers and storms popping up in the afternoon. We need it, and it looks like it's finally going to start to move in.
Okay, thanks, Kristen.